join the sense to the correct parts of the body. Tasting, hearing, seeing, smelling, touching. Match with the sense. Eating a sweet. Tongue. Listening to the radio. Ear. Watching TV. Eye. Enjoying perfume. Nose. Stroking a puppy. Hand.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.